Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I went to Dollar Tree finding things to make decorations and tutorials for the channel. So I got a couple of things and this is my haul, Dollar Tree edition. So I got a couple of things for Valentine's Day and this is old Dollar Tree, and I don't know, I just thought I could use a couple of things there to decorate. I got a couple hearts here and there, and these are pretty cool, or decorations for the table, but we're gonna use them for something else. So I got a little box, and these are so adorable. I don't know if you've gone to the Dollar Tree lately, but they have this section with craft supplies, and it's pretty neat. So that's a good find. More hearts, different colors. I got a couple of flowers because I'm gonna make a wreath, and little hearts also because I have decorations around the house that I want to put them on. And I found these. I want to try them. I tried the other markers that are metallic, so I want to try these. There are chalk writer, so we'll see how they work. I'll probably use it on this, or we'll see. I got this one. You know, shadow boxes can be a little pricey, and I'm like, maybe I can turn this one. If I can get rid of this and put a nice vinyl, it will look really cute. So I'm gonna give that a try. We'll see how that works out. And also I need this to paint. I'm gonna completely tear these apart and make something else with them. So we'll see how that goes. It changes colors. So that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna see if I can make something different, and I got 2 of them because I need enough of this fabric. I also got this sign for love, which I don't know if I'm gonna paint it or I'm gonna add paper to it, but I'm gonna change it for the house. And I got a couple canvas for the for screen printing. So these are perfect for onesies or small projects. And well, these are just loves XOXO and Valentine. So I hope you find this helpful. I'm gonna be posting a tutorial soon. He does not want me to record. Anyways, thank you for watching. I will talk to you next time. Bye guys.